ab'ekitongole kya Ripple Effect bakwatanyise n'abebembezi ba Rubirizi District bari kuhereza ebikwato ahari abo babasize kwegita aha kitongole kyabo ahabw'okushomesibwa eby'emikono kandi n'ekitongole kikabaraganisa okubaha ebyokukoresa baba batandikireho ebyokukora. Omuri ebyo nimwe haba hariho fridge, piki, egaari, kahuuba, edomora za buto ahari abo abine za bekeri kandi bashabwe ebintu ebyo kuguma nibabikuuma kurungi bikabasa kuguma nibibaha entaasi katubasiho ebyababiriyo.
Zina nirakambanye Tabihango Bruce kuruga Kizurgo Seru omuri Ryeru sub-county in Buzenga parish na n'umutano n'isima Ripple Effect ekaturetera projects itwenke minyeto twatandika kucunda amazita ababere mbahinga bakore mizid atukagesa serantu ekozesa buri omwe n'amakucunda amazita mu group ya Kizurgo Youth Give Producers na n'izindi group zikora za yogurt nizikora abenketo nibakora bweni omutano muhango munonge ekyamagero kikatusanga wituriyo tusitamire twatunga aba Ripple Effect batwegesa kwekora abakazi tebakyatusaba za monyo nibekorera sente zabo bagora monyo bagora za sabundi netwe tuguma twino businjo mu makagitu na n'omutano munonga n'isima ebintu ebabasa kuturetera runakuru rizoba abamagari za pichi za friji za kani buri omwe wena kugenda kwetungura nko kwabere nayongera kongera wacabere nakora abahinji tubere turyo kutugweruyirwa kagwe tukutize bomba utize bombe chweka oza kuswa kuza kujikanikisa konko bwa hati buri omwe nakuba yinire bomba ari omu Ripple Effect bwena na nekintu kihango munonga nisima Ripple Effect ntine bugarukiro Ripple Effect kwiza ikasanga twena tukiri zero mind tukatakateka ibintu bya zero tine tukubasa kwetwara chonko bwa hati bakiza batandikisa group twatandika tukora za constitution narisi obutabo bw'amateka twazarza amagombora gitu twazoma district twaregisteringwa twatunga certificates so hato bwa hati nitubantu manyangu ntusevinga tukatandika tukusevinga siringi 10 abo kugira bakasanga tine nko kuturi konka kayisere ya wakire twaguma ntweyongera obwa hati no sanga bakutandikira umutwaro aza kusanga nko munyetongo saving umutwaro nko kusukubanza kunda kusasanya sente konko bwa hati saving umutwaro kandi ntuguza amazita tutunga sente situ sente kutunga training itwe kuno muri Rubirizi tukantwere banga abantu abatakwasa gukora ikintu cyo kushonda amazita chonko bwa hati ntucunda amazita gabonera amazita gitunga n'abanyankore mbarugokwe bizagura amazita gankahi gakunu omuri Rubirizi abwa Ripple Effect.
Mazina nubanyeta Sanyi Harriet nindugaro mitagu nindugo muri Mitagu tukore group eri kora yogati na namandazi Ripple katshanga mbwenu Mitagu eriensi yecyaro munonga etakumanya amatenichi nentenichi twahereze ba training mu gukora yogati n'amandazi twakora ruti yo kubanza twakore ya kabiri ko ngako nahereze nayenda ngunanye ndugemu nshube nyongere hecinda yogati natandika ka dayare urunaku ninguza ritachinana zamate mbona hekitabo cyo mwana mbona ho kafizi kake na nyansha beri ndazi ndumuhereza yansha bakacumu nkamuhereza ninsima Ripple Effect abo kuturetera program nkezo na munongo mu byaro ebitakubasa bitakuteka teka ngo basa no kurugayo nangwa nshuba nsima abo kutusupporting itwe nkeminyeto na munonga bakazi nabishiki nimpiga abishiki bona eminyeto yona baryokwe abatakagire mu groups babase kuzo mu group bagire cyo baganyirwamo kuna herze ebintu biri bice space nyinenche kuna herze nabona space mpango nimbasa nitekateka nkubara supporting ninza kusya omurita bibiri nanye eshaheji n'umushano byakubatarwa umwana kansha bekitabo nimbasa kukimuhereza atugoba tukora amate nayo gati n'amandazi nitekateka no kutandika kuteka ho ka cyayi ikongeraho umufindo gundi.
Amazina nda Atulira Agnes urugari ya Maturuka Mvuruka Katanda ke Gombora Birizi district. Nyowe ndiyo mukozi wa yogurt ntakashikira kugikora nkabona training mu byaro byitwa Betwe bagumana bizana ba training rayo nayegerayo esaheji niteka yogurt kandi ni training n'abana abarkwenda kwega kugiteka. Ripple effect kwizira mu cyaro cyo witu batwegesa okukora emirimo yona ekwatirine n'ebyamate okukora nkito orukuziho mumpu okuteka yogati orukugiho mu mate okukora amazuta gente go kuriya n'ebindi kuyatwegise twaheza kukwata twasanga twinemo kusomoza bw'ubutunga ebintu byo kukozesa tutari kumanya hiberu kuruga kandi no kumusobozi bwo gukora tutabwini bagumane batkwata ho mpora eshaheji tibire tibasabero buyambi kugira ngo batuyambe abente biturukwetenga nk'abantu mbwe nizobere batwetaha kwiza kutereza obuyambi bw'ebinte bitutwire nitwetenga ebirumu nka furiji kuba tokateka yogatotine furiji ebirumu entambara ukora atambuze yogati yawe w'abantu ugenda kugikuza kutwara mu basubuzi n'abandi bantu mu byaro biza kutereza abahinja bari kuhinga kubaha watering cans za kahuba n'ebindi biri kugendera muri ngogo mbwana ni insima ripple effect nkanye akuba hata hinahika niyempikizeho umusente zinko ziro muri yogati eyimbire ni inteka mbasize kwepangisiza enzu nkanye nko kundi individual nayipangisiza enzu yo kukoreramu ekindi kwenda ninkyehisiyeho tinkisaba sente zishoke tinkisaba sente z'amazuta tinkisaba ntambara ngo hina hindu kwenda kuza sente nimba zeyinire kuba yogate hindu kukora ningihaho amago mbwene nimba sima okubaribona apurisero idamuzi na ripple effect bebare kwiza bagumizemo kandi bataturekerera batukuratirire n'ebintu no buturabe tubabitwara baba tatukuratiriro bundi tukagira itwaremerwa tuturize kumara nitusaba muronga ngo batwongezeyo tuhike nabiru kusingaho nanyo sango mbwire bwo misho nyene kindi kubasa kwekorera cyamani kandi nakihiro mu ripple effect.
Amazina n'abanyitabi ya Mukama Adriano kurga omugombore ya Chwamba umurukani cyambura then village no Masaka nyo nimbaza no kusima ekitongoro cye cya Idamus abo kuba kabandi aho nareba hizo umuntu umwe yanyereka abuhereza bw'icyo kitongore na joininga nangwa nazwaro village agent yansomesha kunseme gumani nyereka abantu buherezo mediator buherezo na janta nanyenda kusoma kugira iki nayega bambuza ngo nenda kusoma tinyenda kusoma amandazi ibintu bya confectionery Idamuzeje kankwata mukono yantwara ayisomero Eliasemero bakweta St Benedict Technical Institute muri Kakindo kana ikiro nasanga y'abana bari kamagana runana sana binji tukuriya tukunywa tukurebera kitongore cyo buri kimwe cyo na tukororede kutwagiye kubwa isomero ikitongore cyo kikagaraka cyatwatela allowance cyatwa transport cyatona ka senti ko kurgato ariko mu cyaro ebitusomere kutandikiraho yo kanarjira kaiga ibintu binje na iga keki na iga kuteka mandazi daddies bajias na za biscuit n'imigati byo no bundi and expert so kanarjira na ikomuka natandika nateka hakuba ine ka birthday ageta mutekera keki amandazi ni iteka nguza nogo madamu mwina kana mutekiyeho keki ye ya birthday akagisima ngo yabonera munonga so ati ni iteka amandazi nguza uruna kutinko baragoba ko mutwaro kandi kibenceye kana bwe kiri ya price ejo mbire ntaka funne ntambara yo kugaguza chonka kababuzo buzubwanje hati ngo ije sawa kutereza business yawe no yenda kitu tukakusupporting nabajantata nafuna ngapichipichi yo gavuga aho ni ntandikiraho nasaba ibintu nasaba pichipichi nasaba buto nasaba sukari already hati no bundi ababinde terasemiriro munonga kandi kitongore cyo kinkonja kucisimaho chikwasera munonga eminyeto aha mukono abo kubanjisa kutandika abana mosteri ko mu village yanje abana bakaba bari abayayi batine mirimo zo gukora bakusiba mu byame irungi kunyonjaga nk'ibyo kwibayiba conke kitongore kikizire twabahandika bajoyininga abana binji ubwiro bwe binte byate bikacenda abana mbaba mu masomero mbasoma ubundi abana bariyo mbateka amandazi gabo cakes bariyo mbakora za chapati nora amazima ko ngatunga buri yusi we no mucyaro ari busy kanyonye nka ko muntu garika nsima ubwiro bati nyonye nabana uketi binji bitunyiro bana nkabibiri chonka kanyi mbasomeseza umusomero ba chat school chonka ina joining idamuzi ebintu binkora hati abana banje hatunanye mbasomero mu masomero gebeyi kandi ubwiro bentakatanche gukora na idamuzi abana banje bakaba babinja school fees chonka kwiya natandika kino bacabinja school fees so ni nsima nichimbisa hoje na nyinkati nyeyagarara iza kuzumbantu mbahoja abo kujya ntakaswaza ikitongore cyanje so ikitongore kitwasere munonga mukoro kandi nsaba kigumize mu kitebembire urinde nyo hati katanchara amandazi kutero packet ati mentera katoncho ko bona flapiti nasiganeje sawo mukanateka nzibintu byona bya bakery narganiza kutandika kusampolinga amandazi minji munonga so mwe bari munonga ikitongore kinishima batuherezo bwabusa tabakusaba sente
nina nicho mukama Janet kurigo muri bya matumba Katanda Rubirizi nyowe nkaba ndi umwana w'umbe kiriyo mwana w'umwisiki nkaba nyine mirimo yanje yinabe nikora ho kare y'cyarani kinabwine cyo kitongore cya Ripple Effect na basaba kukijoyininga nabo banyikiriza natandikira aho bampandika nagenda nankonfamu mbageta siyero ikofamu nayigerayo weeks 3 kinarugereyo kwe niza natandikiraho gukora amukora kwanje kinaheze niza bamfura nasaba kugira ngo bamfura umwegesa bankirizamo nanye nabo mwegesa natandika kwegesa okubanza uruti yo kubanza nkegesha abana basatu uruti ya kabiri nayigesa abana batanu nati nyongera kwegesa nyine y'abana nk'ikumi na batanu natabo kugira ngo mbenda kwigana no kurenga umuryabo mbona nyo nimbasima mnonga ntine ukobo no bwacho nimbegeso gukora amandazi keki dadizi donati cookies nkebyo byona nyongani ndeba inyuma ho ntandikire birye bye mukwata bita hibanterire mamane na nyakata mwagandi nindeba hate kintu kine nshonga mwe nimbasimira cyane ninyongera kweta abana bari nkokwe abatine kibamanyira kitongore nkeki nimbasa abantu baferiwe kubanka hati anyowe nkanye ninde bantu buri kimwe cyona hati kiteriye abo kitongore cya Ripple Effect kitongore kimazire mwa mezi mukamukaga kandi ninde bantu kintu cyateriye
Masiba Koloji amazina niraka Nimbonye Maclevis District Community Development Officer wa Rubirizi District kandi rizoba umurigo gumtano aba Ripple Effect bariyo ba implementing a project yabo ya Yidams Youth Inclusive Dairy Marketing Systems. Yes, omu project ejo nibahwere minyeto abari gukora products is related na namate narshi na products zente omu biba gukora niba supporting eminyeto bahereza za milk coolers aba bari kutambuza amate niba supporting abari gukora amandazi bakubahereza cooking oil na nebu kozisebwa gukora amandazi ago bekare niba supporting abari gukora enkito bakubaha materials no kubayamba ku marketing nibabahereza pichi babahereza cooling plant babahereza milk cans babahereza byona ebiri kukosebwa mu businesses omurigo gomutano Ripple Effect netandika n'eminyetezi eba traininga ebasya arengo rwo kubasa kukosaje ebintu bakora kibakubahereza kandi bagaruka babakuratira barebuka ngo babukosaje byabasa kuganyirwamo. Now erizoba barete ibintu nyamwingi twinamo za piki twinamo za kula twinamo milk cans byona biriyo mu hall okumwabireba kandi abari kuza kubitunga n'eminyeto erikuruga umushondashonda za Rubirizi. Reka tusimere po effect abo kushachira n'abebembezi ba Rubirizi kwiciriza ngo project ejekoreki ekorwa muri Rubirizi abantu bakoreki bagiganyirwemo na n'eminyeto be bari kwakira project page bakabasa kugira icyo batworekaho. Twinako mwishiki witu Marina wazo mu restaurant yeye buri kimwe kiriyo amashuta gente gariyo amate gariyo yogati. So nani ndebo muntu unashangire aleve yarho hati ayonjire chanchi nyoreka ngo impact na yamani on society kandi na waza rieru okomcharo waza za Nyakiyanja waza za Katanda noreba ngo hatamate kiciro kizubu umuri Rubirizi
kabiri mu mwanya government
na repo effect ne ko government. So amate umuri Rubirizi gakagabura tukatugagura nko mbazi konka wahati abaripo effect wano yenda mate nora ukagafuna kuba cooling plants ni nyingi waza ndeke gariyo waza katerera gariyo wazo mu byaro gariyo abo hereza bwaci baripo effect. So kinko bashaba iteka government kinko baraganisa tuzaguma tubakwataraho aho mu twetagira tuzakuba tukozereki tuzakuba turuho kubasa bongeramo amane kuranga abantu bitubatuhereza
abafura bayikarikinga bafu
baza kutunge bukwatwebi wabukwata kubi nuba wayisisa abo kuba umwago muntu kwa sente ngoze kutandika wakwe bukwato nabaraki nakira abo kuba kikwato naba yakuyamba obutakukozesa kube sente obundi baza kuhangoze kugura kandi tuwagoraki tuwajibwa na ma programs zite za government ezitwereza abantu sente muri abantu bakuru kwacha natubwe sente za pidi mateza gure mbuzi ahendera kozereki ashashwire mu fees kuko aripo effect cyo tikikozire bwe nimwe baza kutunga ebintu ebi mumanye ngo babahereza ukukora umugasho ogubishemeye koraki bana gukora otakiya Amerika kandi ukagenda ukagiguza batakwegari ngoze kutambuza amate kandi ukagenda ukoraki egari ukagiguza ukagiya musente cyachi masango cyo kwera to koraki to kuchimanya. So twicirize ngo izi programs za government zona niziba zigize kugira ngo zituyambe kutungura abantu bitu onkeminyeto no mukimanyagu somehow inoku mutari bese gombintu yo kwataraho umuntu nakwataraho oshanga ngo omutumo gwawe guri ahandi umuntu atakuhanka kano jiro tamucha 10% amwishi yampakani ko kakaneje waje kosa nisite no koraki nozika unozifuna. So nicho kubehanangiriza abatunge binte mu kwateje mu manyengo nebi yaripo effect yabahanke byanyu mu bukozese nka group nora abo tuba supportinga individual niba supporting a group.
We need them to take charge after ripple effect has gone because we don't own the youth, we don't own the district. The project is here for 5 years. In 2 years from now we shall be departing. So we need the stakeholders to get involved that after when we have left, they can take charge of these items or follow up the youth in work that we have created. I think it's a very big contribution to the district because all these youth that you are seeing today were jobless. And you know the challenges with the youth today. When they are jobless, there are so many funny habits that they develop. But we are happy, we get them, we train them, they accept our trainings and start slowly by slowly. Some of them train through groups. We have a program called the Cottage, where we bring a trainer to the group and the trainer offers such trainings of their preference. And then we have what we call apprenticeship. Apprenticeship is when we take them for farm school training. We are working with the farm schools like Kajira, Sierra, St. Benedict, offering different enterprises trainings like kote, I mean like yogurt, like ghee, crafts, where they are making shoes, and many others. So today, the youth that we have seen are a combination of these different enterprises. We have youth who are doing yogurt production, we have youth who are doing ghee production, we have youth who are vending milk, because you know milk is a hot business here, much as the district doesn't have so many cows, dairy cows. But like you've seen the motorcycles, is to enable them go and get the milk from different nearby districts.
Why do you target youth?
So we target youth because they are a vulnerable category of people, and they are so much susceptible to breaking the law. So we bring them together because we want them to get employment. Yeah, in most cases when programs come, maybe from wherever, they target the general population and the youth are left behind. So for us, we say, let's come and we target these vulnerable youth, both female and male. YIDAM's project is supported by MasterCard Foundation, and us as Ripple Effect, we are the implementers of this project, together with the AgriNet and then APROCEN in this district.
We find that I wanted you to make a message.
Our major objective is to create employment for the youth. That's the major employment. So many youth are idle, you know. So the major employment, a major objective is to create employment for the youth. And I want to encourage all the youth to love to work. Because like you see, the youth that we are working with, we have the youth we have trained are happily working and happily earning. It is very important. When you talk to them, you will be able to see or to hear that they have gotten so many. They are able to buy their basic needs. They are able to pay school fees for those who have, because we have those who got married at an early age, they have children, but they are able to pay school fees for their children. So I want to encourage even the parents of these youth, the guardians of these youth, to keep encouraging them not to divert from the major goals of working for themselves. Because if you have a youth who is self-employed, the burden is less to you as a parent. I also want to encourage the district officials, the local government workers, to keep monitoring these assets. Good enough, we ensure that we conduct joint monitoring activities